Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. Each prompt is a big bang. It is born the moment you send it. It executes its logic in milliseconds. And it dies when you receive the response. With it, all its local variables dies. The artificial intelligence retains nothing. It is a universe that exists and disappears with each interaction. This is crucial to understand. The artificial intelligence is an state machine with no memory of its own. Anything you don't resend to it is lost forever. Local memory. It lives only in the current prompt. If you don't resend it, the next prompt is lost. It is like a note in your hand. You have it now, but if you drop it, it disappears. And the artificial intelligence doesn't magically remember it. Persistent memory. It lives in your system, your code, your database, your file. You save it, you retrieve it, you send it when you need it. The artificial intelligence only uses it during execution, but doesn't own it. Analogy. Local memory. Paper in your hand. It is lost if you drop it. Persistent memory. Book in your library. You store it. You take it out when you need it. Simulate database. Function calls user ID. Execution calls functions user underscore 123. Upon the execution, it returns the following response. We define a simulate database. Extract the data. The artificial intelligence only takes care of evaluating it. The artificial intelligence didn't remember that Anna has 950 points. You told it. The artificial intelligence only calculates the new value. File. Good points. Simpler, human readable, but not scalable to thousands of users. Saving or using database is more scalable, allows for more complex query, but requires infrastructure. In-memory handling is much faster, simpler, but is lost upon restart. The course doesn't teach database, but the principle is the same. You save, you retrieve, you send. Contact rules or persistent memory. Never assume the artificial intelligence remembers. The artificial intelligence forgets everything between prompts. Always resend the complete state it needs. It's safer, more predictable. Validate what you retrieve. Is the format correct? Are there corrupted values? A database can return garbage. Always validate. Version your structure. Your system evolves. If you change user to user version 2, the artificial intelligence doesn't get confused. Use explicit versioning. Log the change. Knowing when and why the state change is different between debugging for 5 minutes or 5 hours. Backup critical state. You don't want to explain what you lost 10,000 user points. It is important back it up. Unwrite rules. If it hurts to lose it, back it twice. In traditional programming, persistence is optional. In symbolic prompting, persistence is mandatory. Without it, your system has no history. With it, you have a system with memory. We now have persistence. We can accumulate user points. Remember, preference between sessions. Maintain the state of a game for days. But when something fails, how do you know what failed, where it failed, and why? Debugging, the art of finding the error that yourself create. and the art of not crying while you do it. In the next video, debugging and logging. If you like this video, don't forget to like the icon and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.